Friends, whether it's hospitality or spending time with friends, everything feels incomplete without some drink. When you need instant energy in college, post-gym sessions, or at cocktail parties, energy drinks like Sting and Red Bull are there to provide that boost. Today, the popularity of energy drinks has soared to new heights worldwide, but do you know the hidden truth behind them? What exactly are energy drinks, how did they originate, and what impact do they have on your health? In today's video, we'll delve into these questions. While carbonated soft drinks trace back to the 18th century, with the addition of sweeteners, flavors, artificial colors, and preservatives to carbonated water, Coca-Cola and Pepsi further popularized the concept with their secret ingredients. However, the fascinating story of energy drinks' inception takes us back to 1962. A Japanese pharmaceutical company called Tesho created a tonic named Lipovitamin D, which was used by truck drivers and laborers to combat fatigue. Though it was initially pricey, the tonic gained immense popularity in the Thai market, becoming a staple in every drugstore. Capitalizing on its success, a pharmacist named Yobida introduced a cost-effective method by adding a non-weather element to the formula, resulting in the creation of Red Bull. This affordable yet great-tasting energy drink quickly gained traction and became a common sight in drugstores, endearing itself to the Thai population. Then came the year 1982 when an Austrian businessman named Dietrich arrived in Thailand from the work of his company. In fact, Dietrich used to do marketing job in a toothpaste company named Bladex at that time. Fallen victim of lag, you might know that sometimes we are not able to adjust to the change of time zone in a long plane journey and there are problems like fatigue and sleeplessness. On someone's suggestion, when Dietrich bought a bottle of Krating Dang and felt relieved as soon as he drank it, he was so impressed with the drink that he decided to take the brand to Austria and he met Chalio Yovida, the owner of Krating Bank, and the two entered into a partnership. Decided to launch the drink in Austria under the name of Red Bull. Dietrich was already on the marketing field. He made Red Bull's packaging a bit attractive and using carbonated water instead of water, launched Red Bull in the market in 1987. Because the concept of energy drinks was entirely new, its competitors were absent from the market. Capitalizing on this advantage, it was introduced in the premium segment with a high price. The positive response led to the sale of over 1 million cans in the first year. Witnessing this rapid success, numerous companies initiated campaigns against it. However, none could match Dietrich's marketing prowess. They allocated a significant portion of their revenue to marketing and focused on targeting young sports enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Free samples were distributed near schools and yoga parties were organized to attract them. Even today, Red Bull remains involved in various adventure sports and sponsors Formula One racing and world record attempts. Remarkably, Red Bull sold around 12 billion cans across 175 countries in 2022. This achievement positions Red Bull as the third highest-selling carbonated drink globally, following Coca-Cola and Pepsi. The company's success and billion-dollar revenue brought about a revolution in the energy drink market. Numerous brands have entered the market with their own variations of energy drinks. The question arises, what is it about energy drinks that people find so appealing? The primary ingredients of energy drinks are caffeine and sugar. While there is a small amount of caffeine naturally present in regular beverages, energy drinks contain significantly more, up to 10 mg per 100 ml or even as much as 50 mg to 400 mg in a 250 ml can, such as in Red Bull, which contains 80 mg of caffeine in a 250 ml can. So, what does caffeine actually do? In our brain, there's a neurotransmitter called adenosine that induces lethargy and promotes sleep. When we feel tired or as the day progresses, the levels of adenosine increase in the brain. It attaches to its receptors, leading to a feeling of sleepiness. However, when we consume caffeine, it blocks the adenosine receptors. As a result, adenosine can't attach, and we remain awake without feeling sluggish. This is why consuming caffeinated drinks dispels feelings of tiredness and brings about a sense of renewed energy. It's important to note that this energy boost is temporary and lasts only as long as the caffeine's effects endure. The makers and advertisers of energy drinks predominantly target the younger demographic, as evidenced by the names of these drinks such as Monster, Full Throttle, and Rockstar. These names suggest an intense stimulant effect that promises to unleash a torrent of energy. Television commercials for energy drinks often associate them with daring and adventurous activities like skydiving, base jumping, or high-speed car racing. This creates an impression that these drinks provide a remarkable surge of energy. Energy drinks have become integrated into the daily routines of young athletes and office workers alike. The elevated caffeine content in these drinks delivers a burst of energy and a sensation of rejuvenation. Notably, Red Bull gained popularity in Western countries, particularly America, where young people began mixing it with alcohol at parties and clubs. This combination, known as a cocktail, gained popularity but comes with risks. The caffeine in the energy drink can counteract the sedative effects of alcohol, creating an opposite high and potentially masking the sense of intoxication. This situation is hazardous, especially when consumed in excess of recommended limits. Although promoting this cocktail to create a club seal and appeal to friends, the concern lies in pondering the impact. If caffeine provides instant energy, why disregard its potential harm? If it poses health issues, what's the justification for the government's lack of regulation? Interestingly, only caffeine seems to be the basis for its control. However, this would encompass beverages like tea and coffee. Some countries, including India, have endeavored to oversee it, noting high caffeine content and prohibiting its distribution to school children. Yet, its presence in the open market makes it challenging to keep away from schools. Energy drinks' primary issue is overdose due to their high caffeine content, often leading to severe outcomes. Instances globally show that excess consumption has even resulted in fatalities. While adults can consume up to 400 milligrams of caffeine daily, children, like a 10 to 12-year-old girl drinking Red Bull, easily surpass their recommended limit. Equally concerning is the substantial sugar content in energy drinks. Indeed, a 250 ml can of energy drink can contain as much as 10 to 12 teaspoons of sugar, which can have detrimental effects on the body when consumed excessively. Additionally, many energy drinks contain artificial colorings and preservatives, additives that can have negative impacts on our health. Young individuals might not pay attention to the caffeine or sugar content before purchasing energy drinks, often being swayed by attractive packaging and advertisements. To appear healthier, some energy drink companies include small amounts of taurine, vitamins, ginseng, and tea extracts. However, these additives might not provide significant health benefits. Considering all these factors, it's important to question whether consuming energy drinks is the right choice for your well-being. It's a personal decision that should be made thoughtfully, taking into account the potential health risks and benefits. Feel free to share your thoughts and preferences in the comment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. Your support means a lot to us.